Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have that generation, it should be a helpful video as well. Now we're going to open the fuse box that's under the hood. That's your under the hood fuse box, guys. But before we continue, let me explain why it's super important to test fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see you have different kinds of fuses, guys. JK's fuse, the micro mini blade fuses as well. If you need to buy these fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money on those. If you look right here, that's the first row of relays. That's the fuse box under the hood, and that's where the fuses start. That very left fuse on the left side, that 30 amp JK's fuse, that's the one that you need to check for the power running board module or the PRB. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.